Anyone considered non-domiciled in Malta qualifies for special tax treatment and the ability to live in the Mediterranean country almost tax-free. Domicile can be complicated, but you will likely be non-domiciled if you have no prior ties to Malta. Domicile is normally inherited from your parents at birth. You must make a conscious choice to change your domicile. Even someone who is born in Malta to foreign parents would likely be considered non-domiciled, provided they had the intention to one day return to the land of their parents. Domicile is a difficult thing to change. Therefore, any foreign resident who moves to Malta will be non-domiciled. You can remain non-domiciled for a very long time. Even if you stay in Malta for 20 years or more, you will still be classed as non-domiciled. The advantage you have in Malta as a non-domiciled resident is that you're taxed differently. Non-domiciled residents are not taxed on foreign income. The only exception to this would be if the income is remitted to Malta. It would then be taxed as Maltese income. In certain circumstances, such as capital gains that were made on overseas assets, the income will not be taxed even if it's remitted to Malta. Money withdrawn from overseas accounts or used to pay bills in Malta will be considered as being remitted unless you can prove otherwise. There are several strategies that may be used to avoid being taxed on such income. Malta does have a minimum tax. Anyone earning over 35,000 euros per year outside Malta and using the remittance basis of taxation must pay a minimum tax of 5,000 euros. Non-domiciled residents can choose to be taxed under the normal system if it would be more beneficial. Non-domiciled residents are taxed fully on Malta source income, such as income from jobs or rental income on Maltese property. All other income can be sheltered from Maltese taxation. Even if a non-domiciled resident earns millions overseas, the maximum tax liability will be 5,000 euros. Getting residency in the Mediterranean country is reasonably straightforward. You can apply for citizenship after living there for more than 5 years. Please subscribe to our channel and follow the link in the description to get a free copy of your Wealth Fortress. With this report, you'll learn unique and valuable strategies for keeping your assets completely hidden, untouchable and untrackable by anyone. No matter how much money you have, you'll learn carefully crafted strategies so that nobody can find it or even know what you have. Your assets will remain untouchable even with a team of the best global lawyers. Well-funded governments will not be able to lay a finger on your wealth. It's all detailed in your Wealth Fortress. Bulletproof structures to protect your assets. Follow the link in the description to get instant access.